In this tutorial, you will learn how to create this speedometer chart in Microsoft Excel. You can see here I have recorded the student performance and the gauge indicates the student marks. For example, its number is currently 20 and it displays 20. If I change it to 40, you can see here the label as well as the gauge direction is changed now. And if I change back it to 20, you can see here its direction is changed now. And I have created these uh, different categories, which is the grading criteria. Remember that the sum of these should be 100. You can create more categories. For example, if you want to create 5 categories, 20 each, or even if you want to create different categories with different values. For example, if I assign it 25 and it assign average as 24, it's up to you. And here is the gauge. First is the number which is the you want to display on here, and it is the pointer which is the width of this gauge. If you change it to 1 and it says less width, if you change it to 3, then the gauge width will be more. And it is the end point which is the difference from 200. Subtract these two values from 200 and you can get this value. And so let's start this tutorial. Here you can see I will calculate the end value, put equal sign, pointer is 2 and I will subtract 198 minus this cell, select this cell and click enter. So sum of these three should be 200. Similarly, sum of all these should be 200 and end should be 100. So let's start this tutorial by selecting this data. Select this data, go to Insert tab, and in here you can select this donut chart. Now go to Format and in size select 4x4. Now select this area again, move it here, go to this plus sign and uncheck chart title as well as legend. Now select this area. You can see here that donut chart is selected now. Right click, go to Format Data Series, and in Series option you will find the option of angle of first slice. Right here 270 and donut hole size change it to 50%. You can see here the 100% is now at the bottom. Now select this chart area and again click on this slice. You can see here only this slice is selected now. Go to Format and from here select red color. Go to Fill and Line option here and select solid line with black color. Width 1 pt, that's fine. Now select other slice and from here select green, solid line, that's fine. Sorry, its color should be black. I will select black. Now select third slice, click here and black color, solid line with 1 pt. Similarly select this one, select this shape style and solid line with black color and 1 pt width. Now select this slice which indicates this 100% and in Fill and Line option select no fill and no outline. Now select this area, go to this plus sign and check on data labels. Select these data labels, right click, go to Format Data Labels and here you can select the series category names and uncheck the values. Go to home and change their font size to 14, bold with black color. Now select these data labels, again click on this and press backscape to remove this. Now again select this area by clicking on any slice, right click and go to this select data option. Click on this add button, write series name, for example it is gauge, and select series values. In series values select these one. Click on OK and again OK. Now select this chart area which is newly created. You can see here outer donut chart is selected now. Right click and select this change series chart type. Click on it and you can see it is series 2 which is the gauge. I will change chart type to this pie chart. Click on OK. Select this pie chart and right click, go to format data series, and in series option you can see here it is 3 option: fill and line, effect and series option. In series option you will find this angle of first slice, right to 70 here. Now select this pie chart and again click on it. If you double click, then you can see here only this slice is selected. Go to fill and line option and no fill and no line. Similarly, select other slice which is the pointer and I will select solid fill for it with black color and border solid line, black color and width 1 pt. Now select this slice and select here no fill and no line. Now we have almost created this speedometer chart. Now I will go to this insert tab and from shape select oval shape, make this shape, select black color and from here in size you can select 2 and here 2. Now it is in a circle form. You can drag it here. Now again click this pointer, double click on it, it will be selected. If you single click, the whole pie chart will be selected. You can see here that only pointer is selected now. Go to this plus sign and check on this data label option. You can see here that 2 appeared here. Select this data label and bold black color with 1214. Select this black color. Now I want to change this data labels with this one. So put again click on it. You can see here that the circle appeared here are now white now. Click equal sign in formula bar, select this cell and press enter. Remember that you can change only when you double click on it. If you single click on it, you cannot change this value. Now you can see here that if I change this value to 30, You can see here its direction is change now, and you can see here that average values are not appeared. Now select these one and change their color to white. Now you can see here the gauge is under average. And if you want to write something here, go to insert tab and in text option select text box, insert text box here, and from format select shape fill as this one and shape outline black, and go to home and select 20 and write your text here. This white color is selected already. Now I will write speedometer chart. From here you can select center, and our speedometer chart is ready now. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.